Yeah, so let's take it out. He didn't mention what order to take it off in, so I'm just going to take it off the best way I can. Would you like to try this? No? It's not very hard.
It's fairly easy, but at least what you're doing right now.
Yeah. Well, I got this extension bar on here. That makes it a lot easier. I might stand this thing up. I might not. I just don't know about this table being sturdy enough to do it. What you eating? Cheese. Can I have a bite? Oh, no, I forgot. I've been drinking alcohol. That's the reason why I'm messing with transmissions. You got to drink alcohol to mess with a transmission. Serious. I'm supposed to be going outside, clean that yard up. Pop it up, homeboy, just like that. Got some rhythm. Beat without a drummer. Tell me, ain't it tough? You got great big bottoms. Getting down. We got the only low funk baby. When there ain't no funk around. Oh, we can jam to the human being band. Link in the description below. Everybody to the acapella party. Be doing it, not doing it all, doing it. We be doing it. You know, sometimes you can play those sections like that in YouTube. They won't bother you. Like I said, I don't understand. I mean, those people who haven't heard that song, they may be interested in it. They just may be interested in that song. So, now that I have the screws out, now I need to pry this joker out. That is going to be hell. Let me mark these up. He said put them in the bowl, but I like marking mine up so I know. I don't know how many screws in here, but supposed to be enough. Oh, I got to put this on. This goes over here. Oh, let's put that in. Okay, let's mark it up. This is the pump screws. P screws. Then he says take a big screwdriver and pry it up. Let's see, where was he when he pried it up? We need to go look, don't we? Where was he? Let's go look and see what he said and where to put it. Because you don't want to mess up nothing, I'll tell you. Let's make sure all the screws are out first. I don't remember how I did it. I don't have a puller. Do I have a puller? Did he say take this off? We were supposed to take this off too. Yep, that's got to come off. This what do you call this thing? This little rubber here. Because we may just use it again. Like I said, all these parts in here are brand new. Because I've already been inside this transmission once before. Let's go back and see what he said. I'll be right back.